Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Python exe file or Python installer for Windows. So to download a Python file, first you have to go to google.com and type Python download. Then hit the enter button. Next, this screen will appear in front of you. Now, download Python. Click on this link. This is the official website of Python installer. Now you can download the latest version of Python for Windows by installing this yellow button. So just click on download Python. As you can see, the exe file is downloaded with my free download manager and download. As you can see, the file is downloading. This is how you can download the Python in your Windows PC. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.